Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and today we are going to start with chapter number 2 Fractions and Decimals. In this lecture, we will cover topic number 2.1 Multiplication of Fractions and two more topics, that is and types of fraction and last, that is conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction. So let us start. Start with fraction. Fraction is of the form a divided by b, where a and b are natural numbers. If we take the example of fractions, that is 2 by 5, 5 by 7, 7 by 3, 2 by 9, and so on. Fractions are of three types. Proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Proper fraction, that is of the form a divided by b, where numerator a is less than denominator. Improper fractions are the fractions of the type a by b, where improper fractions are of the type a divided by b, where numerator a is greater than denominator, and mixed fractions are of the type a whole b by c, or we can say c by d. Let us take the example of all three types, that is numerator is less than denominator, that is 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 7 by 11. For improper fractions is of the type 2 by 1, 3 by 2, 9 by 5, and mixed fractions is of the form 2 whole, 3 by 5, 3 whole, 1 by 2, and so on. Now, to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction, that is improper fraction is of the type a by b, where numerator is greater than denominator, that is 7 by 5. Now to convert this, let us say we have the improper fraction of the type a divided by b. We will divide numerator by denominator. We will get the c, and let's say we are getting the remainder as d. Then the improper fraction to mixed fraction will be the c, that is complete, and remainder, that is d, and b as it is, that is denominator as it is. If we take the example of 7 by 5, we will divide 7, that is numerator, by 5, that is 5 ones are 5 and remainder is 2. So this is 1 complete 2 by 5. Let's take one more example, that is 9 by 4. So we will divide 9 by 4. 4 to the 8 and remainder is 1. We will get 2 complete 1 by 4. Now let us see topic number 2.1, multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fraction. If we are given with two fractions, that is a divided by b into c divided by d, then multiplication will be product of numerator, that is a into c, and product of denominator, that is b into d. If we take the example, that is 3 by 2 into 5 by 4, we will get 2 into 5 divided by 3 into 5 divided by 2 into 4, that is equals to 15 by 8. Let's take one more example, that is 5 by 7 into 3 by 2. We will get 5 into 3 divided by 7 into 2, that is equals to 15 by 14. If we are given with two mixed fraction, 2 whole 1 by 3 into 3 whole 1 by 2, then first we have to convert this into improper fraction, that is, first understand how to convert mixed fraction to improper fractions, that is, we are given with a whole b by c. Then to convert this into improper fraction, we will do the clockwise operations, that is c into a plus b and denominator as it is. Let's take one example, that is 3 whole 1 by 2. What we will do is 2 into 3 plus 1 divided by 2, that is equals to 3 to the 6 plus 1 by 2, that is equals to 7 by 2. So to convert mixed fraction into improper fractions, that is 3 into 2 plus 1, 3 to the 6 plus 1 is 7 divided by 3 as it is, into 3 into 2 plus 1, 3 to the 6 plus 1 is 7 divided by 2, and now multiply the fractions, that is 7 into 7 is 49 and 3 into 2 is 6. Now let us see the theory. Topic number 2.1. If we are given with length and breadth of rectangle as 7 and 4 centimeter, then we will get the area, that is equals to length into breadth. 7 into 4, that is equals to 28. But if the length and breadth are of the form of mixed fraction, then to multiply we have to convert it into improper fraction, that is 7 to the 14 plus 1 15 by 2, and 3 to the 6 plus 1 7 by 2. And now to multiply this, we will multiply 15 into 7 divided by 2 into 2, that is equals to 105 by 4. In next lecture, we will cover topic number 2.1.1, multiplication of fraction by whole number. Thank you.